Unboxing time! Ooh. Look what the cat dragged in this time. It's the Oneplus 12. And it only comes in one configuration. 16 gigabytes of RAM and 512 gigabytes of ROM. And it is the silky black version, so let's do this. Suave. Rico. Thank you, it says in the lid. It's nice to try and do something for people. Let's just look at this first. What do we have? Okay, so we got a welcome leaflet. A quick guide. Quick guide, not a quick start guide, just a quick guide. Safety guide. Ooh, some Oneplus stickers. Membership card. Ooh, sweet. And then, of course, the SIM card ejection tool. It's almost like a face. Have you noticed that? That's very cool. Then back to the package itself. We got the phone. Let's just see what we get inside of this. Whoop. We got an enormous charger. It's a 100 watts VOOC Super VOOC charger. Along with the red cable, of course. USB-A to USB-C. And it's the USB-A end that goes into the 100 watt VOOC charger. Okay, let's do it. Ooh, very suave. Let me just have a quick look at the screen itself. You can just make out that it comes with an applied screen protector already put on. I can also feel it, by the way. Then there's always this sticker. You've got to pull that off immediately. It's an eyesore. Ooh. And it didn't scratch the phone, luckily. Look at the camera module setup here. That's really something to behold. Oh my. I heard some rumors about this part separating, but there shouldn't be any problem because they've put extra glue in here on all the mods that we received now. So this is just good to go. And of course you have the alert slider on this side. Volume up, down on this side, along with the power on off button. On the top you have various sensors, should we just call that, but it looks like a mic and infrared and some third sensor of sorts. I don't know quite what that does. Then at the bottom you of course have a speaker, USB-C and the SIM card tray, as well as a mic. Just make out the top speaker right up here. So that's it. Unboxing of the Oneplus 12. And I am gonna do, of course, a comparison with the Oneplus 11, or at the very least with the Google Pixel 8 Pro. So hit subscribe if you want to watch that one.